we reflect on our own experience with research collaborations in industry, where visualization played a major role in the optimization of products and production processes. Enormous amounts of industrial data are collected across all stages of the manufacturing life cycle. The ability to turn these data into actionable decisions plays a key role in remaining competitive. Still, many companies struggle to actually make sense of their data. Interactive visualizations allow users to capture, analyze, and interact with both the real and the virtual production world. In recent years, more and more research projects on industrial applications of visualization have been conducted. But what experience can we draw from such projects to shape our visualization research in the future? We formed a team of 3 visualization researchers to provide answers to this question. We analyzed 13 projects from 2 different countries, which were conducted within the last 4 years. The projects stem from different industry disciplines like electric motor design, plastic packaging, and warehousing. The majority of projects relate to the operation phase and focus on the manufacturing process itself. The data provided by industry partners mostly came in the form of hundreds to millions of simulation runs or sensor recordings. Spatial data were less common. The end users in the projects had diverse engineering roles and little experience with visualization. We noticed that the projects mostly involved standard visualizations and parallel coordinates, together with user-centered visualizations that were developed together with the domain experts. All visualizations included interaction techniques, and they were most often arranged as multiple coordinated views. To share our experiences, we derived several best practices for applying visualizations in industry projects. We present only a summary here. More learnings can be found in our paper. We first noticed that projects were particularly productive and also continued in the long term, where a positive relationship between visualization researchers and domain experts existed, and both partners were highly committed. Interestingly, the main challenge in most projects was not to design a novel visualization, but to receive the right data in high quality. The further usage of the developed artifacts depended on how good they fit the existing technical environment. Thanks for watching, and if you are interested in more details, we kindly invite you to read our paper.